Hello, happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, 2025 was a success, and 2026 will follow suit. Amen. I'm going to be making cabbage sauce. Yeah, yes, cabbage sauce is not your regular sauce because it's going to be more of cabbage and less of other things. So, first thing, I'm going to be using my salt. As you have noticed, I no longer use iodized salt. I use sea salt because it's highly nutritionally recommended, and that is it. I've added it, and then I went for my thyme. You have seen the thyme that I used. Then that is it. You go for your normal curry, like a big spoon amount should be okay. Then I went for 4 cubes of milk. Yeah, that's what I used. I think that is okay. Then after that, I went in with my ginger and my garlic. I didn't do that much because I didn't want the ginger flavor and aroma to overshadow every other thing. Then I added my plain normal onion, and that was it. Then watch as I cut my veggies and how I cut them. Is going to be very tricky, but you can learn one or two from this process. So watch along. The vegetables are ready, so now I have to go in with my thickener, and I'm going to be using corn flour. As you can see, instead of using water to thickening, I'm using the stock, some of the stock, and I used about 1 full spoon of the corn flour. You can use the amount depending on the vegetables available. So you can use 1 spoon, you can use 2 spoons, depending on the vegetable available. I used about 3,000 naira cabbage, and then about 2,000 naira carrots, and then the spring onions was about 1.5. Then the green peas is around I think 1,000. So yeah, you just check the consistency you want. If you want it to be very thick like pap, then you add more corn flour. But if you don't want it to be very thick, you just want it to be together and put together, then you should use about 1 big spoon. All right. Now you can start going in with your vegetables. I started with my carrots and my spring onions, then I went in with my green beans. Then after that, I left it to sit for a while, because cabbage is the last thing, and cabbage is very, very soft. So it's when you're done, that you're almost done, that's when you can add your cabbage. At this point, it depends on how much cabbage you want to add, but for me, I wanted my cabbage to be full, like more of cabbage than any other thing. So at this point, it's already okay, but for me, I'm going to add more cabbage. So yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.